Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable early keyboard backlight on Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To do that, you're gonna need to shut down your computer entirely, and after that, short press the power button once to turn it on, and while your device is launching, repeatedly click the F2 key until you see the dashboard on your screen. Here on the BIOS dashboard, you're gonna need to first of all enable advanced setup by switching this toggle on. After that, go to Preboot Behavior and scroll down to the very bottom of this menu and enable Early Keyboard Backlight. Or you can also disable it by switching the toggle off. Anyway, to apply changes, click Apply Changes at the bottom and then click OK. To exit, you can either click Exit in the bottom right corner of the screen or press Escape key on your keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.